Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin nabiyil ummi wa ala alihi wa sallim taslima. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today we have a very new test in which I have arranged some difficult problems for you. So it will be helpful for you inshallah. Let's start. Take the first problem. Now this is about nuclear physics. Which type of particles emitted in a nuclear reaction in which lithium 37 nuclei are bombarded by protons, the beryllium 48 nuclei is produced? Okay, so the thing is, we have this first one, this is reactant. Okay, this reacts with the protons and beryllium is produced. Fine. So write down the equation. So when you check it, you can find that here the number of nucleon N, the mass number is 8 and the atomic number is 1 and 3, 4. On the other side, the mass number, which is also known as nucleon number, or you can write it mass number, whatever it is. The mass number, the nucleon number is 8 over here and atomic number is 4. So the equation is balanced. Means what? No material particle is emitted. So material particles are alpha, beta, neutron and positron. The only emission is of radiation in the form of gamma photons, which does not contain any mass but they contains energy. So here the energy balance is required, so gamma is the correct option. Which photon is traveling with largest speed in vacuum? Number 1, infrared photon. Number 2, visible light photon. Number 3 is gamma ray photon. And number 4 is all photons with speed c. C means speed of light. So we must know that in vacuum the speed of all types of photons, all types of radiation is same. That's why the correct option is all photons with speed equals to speed of light. So the fourth one is the correct option. The next one is, an electron will have maximum kinetic energy. An electron will have maximum kinetic energy when it has what? Low frequency, circular motion, long wavelength, short wavelength. We know by Planck's equation we must have E is equals to h nu. So E is equals to h nu means what? Energy is associated with frequency. Okay? Or when we look at the low frequency option, this becomes wrong because it is directly proportional. If frequency is low, then energy will be low. But our task is to find out maximum kinetic energy. So which one should be the correct answer? We know that nu is equals to C over lambda. So this will become E is inversely proportional to C over lambda. So the maximum energy will be at short wavelengths, because both are inversely proportional. Lambda is small, E large. Okay, the half-life of carbon is 5730 years. How much carbon will be left after 22920 years? So what's the correct way to find it out? This is the total years, this is the half-life. Okay, so you have to find out that what's the relation between them. 22920 divided by 5730, so answer will be 4. Okay, so means what? After first half-life, we have half number of atoms. Atom will become, the sample will become half. So it will be 1/2. We have to find out how many half-lives? 4 half-lives. After the second half-life, the number of atoms becomes 1/4. After the third one, it becomes 1/8. And after the fourth one, it becomes 1/16. So this is the correct option. Yes, this is an interesting question which we can solve without calculation. How? I can tell you right now. The decay constant of sodium Na is 0.40128 per second. This is lambda. This is what? This is lambda. The half-life of sodium is, we know the formula, T half is equals to 0.693 over lambda. So here we have 0.693 divided by 0.0000128, okay, per second. When this second will go up, this becomes second over here, okay. So why I told you that we can solve it immediately without calculation? Because you can see that in the numerator we have 0.693, in the denominator we have a very small number, very small number. So when you divide the numerator by denominator, you will get the maximum result. So the maximum in this is 15 hours. When you convert 5 hours into seconds, it will become 18,000 seconds. Here your answer will become more than this, because when you divide this by this, you will get this result, and this is equivalent to 15 hours. So the correct option is 15 hours, as we have already done it, okay. So as I told you that this can be solved immediately without any calculations. Move to the next one. In nuclear reaction, this one, N14 2He4 8 oxygen 17. In this case we have nitrogen interacting with helium, and as a result we got oxygen. So here another term will come which is missing. So how you can find it? You can see that this is 14 and 4 18, and this is 17. So the missing one is over here, the mass number. One is less in mass number. This equation should be balanced. It could be solved over here right now. This is 7 and plus 2 9, and this is 8. So again 1 is missing. So you can see that 1 is what? H, hydrogen, or in other words it is a proton, okay. So the correct option is proton. The missing particle is proton. When you supply proton, you can see that the equation becomes balanced. This is 17 plus 1 18, this is 14 plus 4 18, this is 7 plus 2 9, and this is 8 plus 1 9, okay. Move to the next one. Emission of radiation, radioactivity, is associated with, primarily the radioactivity is related to the nucleus of the atom only, because all the radiations will come out from the nucleus. So the answer is nucleus. It has nothing to do with the complete atom. Transformer installed in a mobile charger is step up transformer, step down transformer, depends upon company, no transformer. Now what's your opinion? It is very simple. As it converts a high voltage into low voltage, therefore it is a step down transformer. Okay, take care. Inshallah we'll meet in the next test very soon. Thank you.